Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix TradingView lagging problem, only way. Open your browser, disable unneeded extensions, and close extra tabs to free resources. Next, lower chart resolution and remove non-essential indicators so the CPU has fewer redraws. Finally, clear cache, restart TradingView, and test with a single chart layout to confirm smooth performance. In this video, I will explain how to fix TradingView lagging problem, only way. Go to Chart Settings and disable hardware acceleration if rendering stutters persist. Set the chart to a lower update frequency and close extra workspaces so the browser handles fewer real-time redraws. Test performance after each change to identify the single setting that makes the biggest difference. In this video, I will review how to fix TradingView lagging problem, only ways. Quick recommendation: if your car stinks after long trading sessions, pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a refreshing ride between trades. It always lightens the mood. If this content helped, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to fix TradingView lagging problem, only way. Restart your computer to clear memory leaks and free RAM for smoother charts. Prefer Ethernet or a stable Wi-Fi signal to lower latency and avoid packet loss during updates. Close background apps like streaming or large downloads so CPU and network are dedicated to TradingView performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.